This video guide is dedicated to help you remove the new adware type application called LogFormula. LogFormula is the new adware that attacks many Mac computers these days. This LogFormula adware, once installed, may display the huge portion of pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So, if this LogFormula was somehow installed to your computer, it is definitely time to get rid of this adware as soon as you can. The adware may also periodically redirect the browser to many other shady and quite dangerous places in the internet. So what to do if you have found this LogFormula adware on your computer? Well, first thing you should do is check your Finder, check your applications, locate this LogFormula, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. Now, to make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I do recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install it, and then start researching the computer with its help in order to effectively detect and remove other infections fully from your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.